Blogging may be a successful pastime, a fantastic method of expressing your enthusiasm for a specific topic, but don't go wrong, it may be likewise an excellent method to generate money as a side trick or a profession in full time. The smart passive income Pat Flynn made more than $2 million with his blog last year. True Valhalla Matthew is 20 years old and on target to earn $500,000 with his blog this year. And blogger passion Anil Agarwal is not becoming wealthy, but his blog receives around $70,000 a year. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We are back with a new video, and in this video, we will discuss different ways to earn money through your blog. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 8. Use affiliate marketing on your blog. Affiliate marketing works by adding links to your site's content to monitor your affiliates. Each time a reader clicks on a website, you promote and make an acquisition. You can get a small commission. The links will take readers to a brand's website, and you get money to reward some of your beautiful readers for bringing it to their site. Nearly every e-commerce online site has a subsidiary program, such as Amazon, ASOS, and Apple. Register for Affiliate Window, an extensive affiliate network that promotes hundreds of world-renowned products and services. Number 7. Add banners adverts to your website. You may sell your banner space on your site to business related to your followers as a more visible means of advertising. Announcements can be put wherever but are often seen on the top or on the sidebar of the blog pages. There are two ways you can generate cash. CPC indicates that every reader who has clicked on the ad receives a fixed payment. In contrast, the CPM, whose full form is cost per millennium, means that you will negotiate a predetermined price for every 1,000 impressions the ad gets. CPC and CPM can be low using ad blocker plugs. However, depending on your business, it does not cause much harm in testing them. An account with Google AdSense is a simple way to start your business. Number 6. Offer services. It is a beautiful technique to make some additional cash and build your name while offering services that might not enrich you. Self-services directly linked to your blog topic. Examples: food blog catering or freelance blogging. Services such as writing or graphic design, you can choose any skill and be professional in it and then offer your services to other people to generate some side money. Number 5. Host webinars. While many companies utilize them to generate leads, it is also an option to organize paid webinars. Just ensure that you provide excellent value. You need to deliver something rather remarkable if you want to charge for so many free webinars there. Number 4. Write an ebook. Do your specialty have profound knowledge? Please send it to your blog and put it into an ebook. I would suggest avoiding selling them on Amazon and Kobo because they're likely to be a considerably lower fee. You definitely can shift from $5 a concise audience to up to $39+ if you've already developed a substantial audience. Number 3. Sponsor social content. Give your company's publicity or publish sponsorship tweets or Instagram photos on your Facebook profile. It is ludicrous and straightforward to publish. And depending on the size of your following, you may charge $25 to $500+ for each post. Number 2. Sell templates. You may save time and money with a decent template. In nearly any niche, templates can work. Business, new customer contract template, fitness, workout for 30 days, health, clean diet template for 3 months, etc. Number 1. Create resource page. Resource lists indicate the tools, products, and services you utilize. They are an excellent method to give your audience essential services while at the same time generating money via affiliate links or sponsored investment. We have discussed different ways to earn money through blogs, and we need to work hard on these ways to earn money. There are several ways to make money from blogging, but I recommend that you do not overwhelm each other and do it one by one. Do you find this video informative? If yes, let us know in the comment box. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and recommend us some topics in the comment box for future videos. We will be back soon with a new video. Till that, take care.